Sworkit Fitness Sport Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get fitness apps wrong. They assume workouts are generic or ineffective. The surprising truth about Sworkit is that it provides customized workouts for all fitness levels, and you won't believe how flexible it makes exercising anytime, anywhere. Here's how it works. Users input goals, fitness level, and available time. Sworkit generates tailored workouts for strength, cardio, yoga, or stretching. You can adjust duration, track progress, and follow video instructions for guidance. For example, someone with 15 minutes free can choose a high-intensity workout focused on core strength, while a beginner can follow a guided yoga session. Most people get this wrong. They think apps can't replace gyms, but Sworkit adapts exercises to personal goals. Additional features include custom workout creation, integration with fitness trackers, and progress tracking. Users praise the app's variety, ease of use, and ability to stay consistent with workouts. However, there are considerations. Some advanced workouts require a premium subscription, and motivation is user-dependent. Most people assume fitness apps are one-size-fits-all. Sworkit personalizes routines to fit your schedule and goals. In conclusion, Sworkit is ideal for anyone looking for flexible, guided, and effective workouts that can be done at home or on the go. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fitness apps and tools.